Hi there, welcome to Kirtling Street here in the London Borough of Wandsworth. You can see just about Battersea Power Station behind me. Now, you might remember a few months ago I was over in France having a look at 2-tonner boring machines being put together in a factory. Well, I'm pleased to say since then we've made some fantastic progress, and if I just spin the camera around, they're here. So once the manufacturing process was finished, the company responsible, NFM, disassembled both of the TBMs, put them on barges and sailed them across the sea and up the River Thames to here in Battersea. And you can see behind us the enormous number of components that our site team's having to put together to make sure that they're ready to start the tunnelling process later this year. You can still see some of them, spin behind me, wrapped up in plastic to keep them safe on that voyage. So our teams are now working really hard to put them all together to make sure they're absolutely ready to start the tunnelling process later this year. They've got to go through quite a rigorous testing process to make sure they're absolutely 100% in working order, because there's no service stations 80 metres below. So this one behind me here is Ursula, named after Dr. Ursula Smith, and behind her is her sister Millicent, named after Dame Millicent Fawcett, the famous suffragist. So we're really proud to be in the 100th anniversary year of women being entitled to vote for the first time, and it's fantastic we've been able to name our tunnel boring machine after such an important figure in that movement. So we're really proud here at Tideway. We're really excited to get going, and we can't wait to start tunnelling later this year. If you check back again soon, we'll have another update for you.